there, this is Jenny Walker from DigiGoods and Printables ELA. Welcome to Argumentative Essay Writing, segment number 2, where we will discuss brainstorming and pre-writing. In this segment, you'll choose your topic and do some research to find your strongest reasons, and then you'll gather some evidence and track your sources. The work that you do in this segment will set you up for the rest of your essay, and if you do it well, it'll make your writing a breeze. So let's dive in. Section 2A, choose a topic and develop a claim. Scroll down to approximately slide number 16, and let's have a look. How to choose a great topic. Here's what you need to know. An argumentative essay is an argument. Therefore, you must choose a topic that people could reasonably argue about. In other words, your topic must be controversial. It has to have people who have presented an opposing argument to your claims. On the other hand, a topic and claims such as bullying is bad isn't controversial at all. No reasonable person would suggest that bullying is not bad, and you will not find any sufficient evidence anywhere to prove that bullying is good. So that would not be a good argumentative topic. Here's a side note. It's okay to choose a side of an argument that you don't necessarily agree with. Good writers can write from any perspective. Remember, this is practice for writing an essay. As long as you can provide evidence, it's a fine topic. Scroll down to the next slide for some suggested topics. Here are several topics that you could choose from, or you might have a topic in mind that you would prefer, or your teacher might have assigned a topic to you. Whatever your topic, go ahead and write it in this box. If you'd like to see more topics, here is a link at the top of your page to procon.org. This is an amazing website that lets you quickly research the pros and cons of controversial topics. Go ahead and pause this video and come back once you've chosen your topic. Okay, now that you've chosen your topic, it's time to develop your claim. In other words, what are you claiming to be true about your topic? First, type your topic in the box that's provided. Then, decide if you are for or against your topic. For example, if your topic is school uniforms, are you against them or for them? This question may not apply to all essay topics, but if it applies to your topic, paint the circle red that describes your position. You can do this by clicking on the circle and finding the little paint bucket at the top of your taskbar. Finally, type your claim in the box provided. If you're confused, look at the example at the bottom of the slide. This topic is cell phones, and the claim is that they should be allowed in the classrooms. Notice that the claim is not a reason. It doesn't tell why they should be in the classroom. We'll save that for later. For right now, just state your claim. Pause this video to complete this slide. Scroll down to the next slide, section 2B. This is where we will learn to brainstorm our reasons. In other words, we're going to find strong reasons that support why our claim is true. Consequently, your topic, claim, and these reasons will make up your thesis statement, and your thesis statement is going to guide your entire essay. You'll use these reasons as topics for each of your body paragraphs, so choose wisely as you research and find the strongest, most powerful reasons available. Scroll down to the next slide. You may see a slide that has text boxes for 2 reasons, or you may see a slide that has text boxes for 3 reasons. Which slide you see depends on what your teacher requires of you. If you're required to find 2 reasons, then you'll be writing a 2-pronged thesis statement. And if you are required to provide 3 reasons, then you'll be writing a 3-pronged thesis statement. This will make much more sense to you when we start writing our thesis statements, so don't worry about that yet. But basically, this just means that your paper will be a little bit longer if you're writing a three-pronged thesis statement because you're providing more reasons that support your claim and more evidence to prove that. More about that later. For this workshop, let's look at the 2 reasons slide. So where do you find your reasons? This is where research comes in. For a quick, concise research, you can click this research button to the right that will direct you to procon.org, where we discussed earlier. This is where you can quickly find reasons and evidence for many topics. However, your teacher may have different instructions for your research. He or she may provide links to other searches, or they may ask you to visit different sites. Just follow the instruction of your teacher for this part. And whatever your source of research, read thoroughly and look for the strongest reasons that support your claim. If you already have instructions for where to do your research, pause this video and go do your research now. If you're using procon.org, this part will be easy because the reasons are bold topics that are the pros and the cons. Let's take a look. Click on your research button and head on over to procon.org. I'm going to click on homework, where I can look at several reasons that support homework and several reasons that do not support homework. These bold titles are the reasons. Let's pretend my topic is going to be homework. I'm for it, and my claim is that teachers should provide homework. I would look over here at the pros, and here's pro 1, so that is a reason number 1. Homework improves student achievement. Another reason to support homework is homework helps reinforce learning and develop good study habits and life skills. A third reason is that homework allows parents to be involved with their child's learning. These are all strong reasons to support homework. If I'm doing a 3-pronged thesis statement, I would maybe choose all 3 of them. Or I might choose one that I like the most and do some research on other sites to find my other reasons. If I'm doing a 2-pronged thesis statement, I only need 2 of these reasons. But here is what you must know. It is never okay to use somebody else's direct words in your writing without giving them credit. So for this, I would need to paraphrase these reasons, which means I will put them in my own words so that I am not stealing somebody. For example, whoops, what do we got here? Okay. For example, if I were going to use pro number 2, oops, I meant pro number 1. If I were going to use pro number 1, instead of saying homework improves student achievement, I might say students who do better homework or who do homework get better grades. This is called paraphrasing. So click back over to your slide and let me just fix this. Click back into your slide and add the strongest reasons that you have found in your research to your boxes. Again, if you're using a 3-pronged thesis statement, it will look like this, and you'll add 3 reasons to your boxes. This concludes this video segment of your argumentative essay workshop. Once you've completed this section, you can move to the next videos where we will discuss gathering evidence, tracking resources, and that will all be in segment 2C. Once again, if you've found this video from my YouTube channel, you can find the link in the workshop in the descriptions. And teachers, be sure to follow me on Facebook where we'll discuss all things digital learning. Happy learning and happy teaching.